How to fix command prompt access denied to administrator. 1. Use inbuilt administrator account. 2. Verify group policy settings. To do so, set the not configured option to the prevent access to the command prompt setting at user configuration administrative templates system inc.msc. 3. Check registry values. To do so, delete the disable cmd_rec_dword at hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/Windows/system in regedit. 4. Disable UAC. 5. Clear potential adware and malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Use terminal.